Hello, my name is Todd Strand. I am fired up to be here tonight. We're here to talk about Trevorium, our brand new concept. And although the concept is new, the company's not. We've spread like wildfire. 63 different countries paid out millions in commissions. But tonight, we're going to be talking about money, finance 101, how money works. And the big question is, how can you turn $500 into $20,000 in 1 year without risking more than $5 in any of your initial trades? We're going to break that down slide by slide. But as we get into this, understand that our company is a lifestyle company. We're here to teach people a better way to a better life. And we do that by helping people become travel traders, digital nomads. That's where you can travel for pennies, 70% off. You can earn free travel credits and travel for free. My wife and I have been doing that all summer. And you can learn how to make money right on your mobile phone, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Now, when it comes to money, Robert Kiyosaki, the gentleman on the screen, wrote the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Cash Flow Quadrant. He's been the financial guru for the past couple of decades. He outlines why most people can't get ahead. It's because they either have a job or they own a job. And a job is a wonderful way to put some food on the table, but a horrible way to create wealth, a horrible way to create lifestyle. Eventually, you have to graduate from having a job to having a business that's generating money week after week, month after month, even after we're long gone. And then you take the profits from that business, you learn to invest them. Now you got your money making you money. And this is what Albert Einstein called the eighth wonder of the world, compound interest. He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it. So we want to help you master profitability. And this is our company, beautiful home office, customer service in multiple languages, 63 countries, millions of commissions paid out. Our CEO and founder, Mr. David Hart, was a finalist for Entrepreneur of the Year, Inc. magazine, and our trading division focuses on cryptocurrency and Forex. Now, when it comes to cryptocurrency, the most explosive financial market in the world, I watched my own wife's account go from something very small to over $1 million. Now, I mean, shocking. I mean, how incredibly explosive it's been. Now, is that a fad or is that the future trend? If you were to ask the senior editor at Forbes magazine, Laura Shin, she does TED Talks all over the world, IQ off the map, she would tell you that this is an absolute revolution. It's the Web 3.0, the decentralized internet, and it will revolutionize every aspect of our lives. Now, we're also in the Forex market. Now, what is Forex? It's nothing more than trading in your money for the currency of another country. Most of us have done this before. You just didn't know that you could profit from it. Well, the Forex market, by the way, happens to be the single largest financial market in the world. It is 20 times the size as the United States stock market. And that shocks a lot of people. How's this thing so big, so profitable, and I know so little about it? Because up until a handful of years ago, unless you were a bank, a big institution, or a wealthy individual, you could not participate. Today, if you have a mobile phone and a $100 bill, you can learn how to cash in on the largest financial market in the world. But the key I want you to understand is that to ignore the explosion of Forex, to ignore the explosion of cryptocurrency should be considered a financial crime. Now, I say that jokingly, but we had a lot of people, my wife and I, give us a hard time. Like, wait a minute, hold on. You're sharing brownie recipes and you didn't tell us your crypto account went to 1 million? I mean, hello. And so this is the kind of stuff you want to share. It can help transform people's lives. Now, as we go into the illustration, slide by slide, how do you turn 500 into 20 grand in 1 year, never risking more than $5 in any one trade? This is an illustration, right? I'm not a financial advisor. I'm simply illustrating how compound interest works. Now, as we get into this, month number one, we're going to have you open up a demo account. It takes about 10 minutes. It doesn't cost any money. You're going to open up a demo account and you're going to learn how to input the trade ideas from our pro traders. Every day they're putting out trade ideas. They're telling you that these are the trades they're personally making, by the way. We're doing this. You might want to do the same. Here's how to input that data into your app. Very, very simple. Takes a few minutes, but you'll do that for 30 days and see the power of the trade ideas. In month number two, open up an account with a brokerage of your choice. We never touch your money. And I just chose the number 500. Try to choose a small amount of money that even if you lost it all, no big deal, right? Never risk money that's important to your family. Always use discretionary money that even if you lost it, because there's risk in anything, no big deal. A micro amount of money. I chose the number 500. Now, when you're trading, you never want to risk more than 1 to 2% of your account at any one time. So if your balance was 500, you're not going to risk more than $5 in any one trade. Why? because trading's over the long haul. Our traders win 70% of the time, but sometimes they lose. Well, what if you have a losing streak? Well, if you're only losing $5 per trade on 5 trades, you lost 25 bucks. No big deal. So we want to trade a small amount of money and do it over a long period of time. Further, we're looking for ideal trade setups. So if we have a potential loss of $5 in any one trade, we want to make sure that we have a $10 to $15 upside. So we want a bigger upside than a potential downside. Now, as I mentioned, our traders win 70% of the time, but let's assume they only win 50% of the time. And although we might have a $15 upside to a $5 downside, let's assume that's only a $10 upside using conservative numbers. Now, let's assume you did 20 trades in a month. You did 10 trades where you won $10 per trade. That means you earned $100. And you did 10 trades where you lost $5 per trade. You lost $50. So I earned 100, lost 50. That means I netted $50 for the month. So month number 1, we demo trade. We have no money at risk. Month number 2, you put $500 in some brokerage account of your choice. At the end of the month, you've earned $50. Well, if you do that month after month, at the end of 12 months, your account is growing 285%, and your balance is now $1,426.56. Well, if you do that year 2, year 3, year 4, by the time you get to the 5th year, your balance is growing to $138,000. Where would that be in 10 years, 15 years, 20 years? Now, some of you are thinking, yeah, Todd, but I want to do it faster. You said 500 to 20,000. How does that work? Well, that's where you learn to tap into other people's money, or in our case, our compensation plan. Remember, we're a lifestyle company. We have travel services that we sell where people can travel for pennies. They can earn free travel. We have financial education services that we sell, and you can earn money from every bit of it, just tapping into what they call social selling. You might make a recommendation online. You might invite people to a private Facebook group on the internet where they can learn more. On Facebook, where they can learn more about how to travel for pennies, how to travel for free, meet other people that are actually doing it, meet other people that are compounding their money. And I assume it takes you 3 months to find 3 people who might think, hey, this sounds like a good idea. Well, that means that you're now earning $100 per month. Put that in your trading account. Well, then your few tell a few, your commissions begin to grow. It takes you 4 months to get to $400 per month. Put that in your trading account. Those people tell a few people. It takes you 6 months to get to $1,500 a month. Put that in your trading account. Well, at the end of 12 months, your balance went from $500 to $20,205.18. That's the power of other people's money. At this moment, pull out your initial $500 and you're trading with the entire thing is house money. It's all of the compounding. It's the money you've earned through the compensation program. None of your money's actually at risk. Now, earlier, I showed you that you went from $1,400 at the end of year 1 to $138,000 at the end of year 5. Well, if you follow the plan I just showed you, at the end of year 1, you don't have $1,400, you have $20,000. So if $1,400 turns into $138,000 in 5 years, what does $20,000 turn into in 5 years, 10 years, 20 years? And by the way, if you continue to make recommendations, you can earn more and more money from our company that you can put into your trading account, hence accelerating the curve. We have everything here to support you, from the live trading sessions, quick start Forex, quick start crypto. We have the recorded trading sessions, the FAQ, the educational videos, trade ideas that come out every single day. These are the trades our own traders are making themselves. This was a Bitcoin trade that we all made a bunch of money on. And the trader said, hey, I'm buying Bitcoin at $46,200.16. Think I'll do the same. I'm going to put my stop loss at $45,281.33. Think I'll do the same thing. I'm going to take profit $47,000. Think I'll do the same thing. And to get started with our service is an absolute bargain. My wife and I paid someone $400 a month when we initially got started. There's companies out there charging $300 a month, $200 a month, and they don't give you a fraction of what we're getting here. And it's only $99 per month. So 99 down, 99 per month. Plus we have our travel services from $39 a month, $69 a month, $125 a month. By the way, again, the travel deals are insane. We have a group of people right now that are at the Hyatt Regency in Dubai, waterfront, breakfast included, 6 days, $89. That kind of crazy travel stuff is what's going on. That's why our company's booming. You can show other people how to do it, how to make money, then learn how to compound that. So get back with whoever invited you to be here. Find out about our comp plan, find out about our company, find out how you can start compounding your money today. And thanks for being with us. God bless. Bye, everybody.